back to my channel. Today we will talk about how to make a perfect bow using ribbons. So in three ways. We'll be showing you how to make it step by step. But before that, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below so that we'll be notified if ever I will upload another video. Without further ado, let's make the perfect bow in 3 ways. Alright, these are the materials that we're going to use. Scissor. We need scissor. We need this fork, kitchen fork. And the ribbon. We have 3 colored ribbons. Yellow, blue, and white. Now let's begin our perfect bow. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial in making perfect bow in 3 ways. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell below. I'm so sorry, nabulol ako because I'm not really good at English. I'm not really good at speaking English, speaking dollar. So I'm just trying my best, my very best to communicate with you using English. Okay, I am Bisaya, so nahirapan ako mag-Tagalog and mas nahirapan ako mag-English. And just please, by the way, before you leave, kindly leave a comment. This will help me grow as a new YouTuber, and your comments, suggestion, your no violent reaction will contribute or might help me to improve. Thank you for watching, and till next time. Bye bye.